Alright guys, so I just wanted to give you a bit of a rundown on our outdoor entertaining area, I suppose you'd call it. So just wanted to run you through on how we're basically setting things up and the features and benefits with Design RV. So as standard on all their vans, outdoor speakers with a stereo inside. It is a Bluetooth stereo, so when you're out here at night or even during the day, having that background music going is really cool as well. So one of the extras that we did add, which I highly recommend, is the outdoor TV bracket screwed to the side of the van. That one's nice and simple. It's just basically lifting the TV off the one inside and bringing it out. We've had Riley and the kids and that watching movies at night, which is also cool as well. You know, even just having your favourite sport on in the background or whatever it may be. That runs off the 12-volt cigarette socket that's out here. In this socket system here as well, there is 2 twin USB plugs as well, which is also good for charging those devices. And as far as I'm concerned, everything's on USB these days and you can't have enough of them spread out your van. Antenna plug there as well, that obviously runs off the roof antenna, the wind guard on there, and then 240-volt outlet as well, which is really cool. So you've got everything covered power-wise out here. Again, as I said, all standard on your Design RV. We run on the picnic table here, nice size picnic table. We run the electric fry pan for cooking. As I said, that outlet's there to run that. When we're out in the bush, I will put a butane cooker up on there, or you know, the twin gas burner, whatever it may be that we need at the time, on that picnic table as well. So that's another awesome feature that does come standard with your Design RV. Down the front here, I do also like to talk about the gas bayonet. They are standard on all the vans. So with them you can run your barbecues, gas cookers, whatever it may be as well. Plug that straight into there and away you go. Up here we do have our privacy screen set up, just to give you a bit of a quick show. Anti-flap kit that we've got up there, available from Design RV. Also when you purchase your van, you can just slide those privacy screens in. They are really good for shade as well if it's getting hot. We do have both ends, and we do have the one that drops out of the awning barrel as well. So we've got our shade covered from all different angles as well. Another awesome benefit outside these Design RVs are these great LED strip lights. We did get an extra one added to our van, so we've got 2 under the awning here, and then I've got 1 more out the front which shines the light down on the barbecue as well. So keep that in mind when you are designing and picking some extras along the way. But I hope that's helped explain our outdoor setup, I suppose you'd call it, on our Design RV. If you've got any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us on any of our platforms.